Hi, today we're going to be making the Island Escape sub, and I'm Annie.
I'm Shanti.
And we're from Wiley. Okay, so first what you're going to do is you're going to get 1 slice of ham and then put a 1/4 cup of pineapple on top. And then after that, you're going to put a 1/2 slice of mozzarella cheese on top. And then you're going to put this in the microwave for 10 to 20 seconds. And then once that is done, you're going to get the bottom half of your bun and put it on a plate, and then put the ham on top. After that, you're going to put 1 piece of lettuce on top, and then 2 slices of tomato. And then after that, you put your top bun on, and you're done.